Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a VPN on your Windows. For that, first go to any browser like Chrome and search for free VPN extension. Click on it and enter, and you will see the first option here. It will take you to the store. Click on it and simply click Add to Chrome. After that, again click Add extension, and now you can see the free VPN has been added, and just click on the puzzle icon here and you will see the VPN option here. If you need to change the location, just click on this and change your location, and if you don't need, just click the power button and VPN will be turned on and your internet connection will be secure. Again, if you want to turn it off, just click the plus icon here and turn it off by clicking this one, and that's how you get a free VPN on your Windows. Like this video if it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.